Okay, class, today we're going to be doing using logs to solve exponential equations. So it wants me to solve for x. So I know that in order to do this, I have to use logs. I'm going to change my exponential form to a log form. Remember, we talked about the importance of knowing how to do this. So I'm just going to make log on both sides. So I have log of 3 to the x equals log of 30. So now where does this x have to go? That's correct, to the front. So I have x log of 3 equals log of 30. So if I want to solve for x, how do I get rid of what it's multiplied about on the left side? That's correct. I divide it by log of 3. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other side. So in my calculator, I'm going to plug in log of 30 divided by log of 3. And don't assume it's log of 10. That would be some incorrect math. So I'm going to go to my calculator. I must have closed it a while ago, so let me open it back. So now I'm going to put, it was log of 30 divided by log of 3. So I'm going to do log of 30 divided by log of 3. And generally I want you to carry it out 3 decimal places. So I know I have 3.096. So I have x equals 3.096. And that would be my solution. So now let's do number 2. So I'm going to do the whole part and set them up, but I'm going to let you plug the part up in your calculator. So now when I go here, let's recap something right quick. So I want you to understand that that's saying if I take 3 and raise it to the 3.096, I should get about 30. So let's look at our calculator so you can actually understand what you're calculating. So if I were to take 3 and raise it to the 3.096, I should get close to what? 30. That's correct. Okay, so now let's go into number 2. And if you're listening to this video hearing a lot of noise, it's because my first period class has been very noisy, but I'll deal with them for that. So let's go look at number 2 now. So I know I got to take my 4 over. When I take my 4 over, I'm going to end up adding 4. So I really have 10 to the x equals 38. Rewrite it as log. I have log of 10 to the x equals log of 38. Now I just multiply, move my x to the front. X log of 10 equals log of 38. So I'm going to divide by log of 38. I'm sorry, divide by log of 10. And then you would plug that into your calculator to see what your solution is. So let's look at number 3. Okay, again, 3 is the same. I'm going to take my 14 over, and I'm going to get 5x equals 7. So I have log of 5x equals log of 7. Take my x to the front. So then I have x equals log of 7 divided by log of 5. Let me plug that in and see what the solution is. So let's go to the next one. Okay, same thing here. I'm going to take my 4 over. So I'm going to get 3 to the 1/2 x equals 15. Divide both sides by 3. Do not try to multiply 3 times 1/2 first. So that's going to give me 1/2 x equals 5. So I'm going to rewrite them as log. Log of 1/2. Take my x to the front equals log of 5. So then I have x equals log of 5 divided by log of 1/2. And you have to show me these steps here before you show me the answer. Let's go to number 5. So on number 5, I have log of 2 to the 4x equals the log of 3.6. So I really have 4x log of 2 equals log of 3.6. So I'm going to divide by log of 2. Divide by log of 2. So in this case, I get 4x equals, let's go to the calculator and plug that in. That's log of 3.6 divided by log of 2. That gives me 1.848. 1.848. So now I still got to divide by 4. And I get x equals 0.412. So in this case, x equals 0.412. So let's test that out. Because my equation is 2 to the 4x. So I'm going to go over here and type 2 to the 4. Oh, try that again. 2 to the power of 4. And my x is 0.412. So I'm going to multiply that times 0.412. And if this is correct, what am I supposed to get? 3.6. Okay, I think I rounded that wrong. Let's go back and look. Okay, let me go back and look up on my calculator. It was 0.462. So it should be 2 to the power of 4 times 0.462. And there's my 3.6. Okay, let's work number 6. So same thing here. I'm going to have log of 19 to the x plus 4 equals log of 3. I'll move my x plus 4 to the front of my log of 19. So then I'm going to divide by log of 19. So I'm going to get x plus 4 equals, let's go see what log of 3. Divided by log of 19 is. And I get a 0.373. So I get a 0.373. Well, I'm going to have to subtract 4 from that. So I'm going to say minus 4. And my answer is negative 3.627. Negative 3.627. Okay, class, now you see that the next is the A sheet, so you're responsible for that as well. So remember to play the videos back as often as you need and be ready for a quiz when I see you again. Have a good day.